your mower does this, it's probably not a bad starter. Already switched the starter on this with a good starter that I know worked. That's not the issue. The issue is right here, these valves. I tried to check them yesterday when I was out mowing, but I didn't have the right start key. You want to call it Torx bit. I think I had a T30, but I believe it's a T25. So this is 10 millimeters. That's what it looked like. This gasket's not that great. Basically, want to turn these. It's way easier to do with the spark plug out. I might do that. I just took the spark plug out to make it a little easier to find top dead center. All this gas just came out. I don't know if you can see that. That thing was just filling the crankcase with gas, so I definitely need to put an inline fuel shut off in here. Let's see. I feel like following the fuel flow right now, but yeah, definitely gonna put an inline fuel thing in there, or maybe use some vice grips to clamp the fuel line for now, because it's definitely filling up the crankcase while it's sitting. Like you can see that dripping. A lot of fuel that was just sitting in there. It isn't completely level, but you shouldn't really have this spilling out that thing like that. Look at it. You can see it coming down. That's all you need for the fuel shut off. Just run that in the fuel line. Put it in there somewhere. Cut it. Put the clamps on. Simple as that. This has electric fuel solenoid, and it looks like it's hooked up down there, so I don't know why it's still letting the fuel through, but I'll put the shut off on there. I don't have to deal with it. Any guesswork. So I do that too. Now back to these. So trying to find top dead center here. Oh, look at that. Just shooting gasoline out. Look at that. Never seen that in my life. Now, I'm gonna clamp this damn line until I could just put the fuel thing on now. I'm just gonna put vice grips on that line and try to stop it from feeding. Flow area is just the one to that line. And we'll clamp this one right here. It's at 4 thousandths. You need a T20 here. I had a T30 yesterday and that wouldn't do it for me. I just loosen that. Oh, is that a 10 too? Yep. Alright, she's that. That's all I need.
But I think Ariel wants to see using Scott and get a cat.
Oh, so much for gravity, huh? Got some arrow for flow. Trying to empty some of that fuel out the crankcase. Still coming. Even with the fuel shut off, but it's whatever's in the pump and the lines, because I got this coming, the tank comes this way. Put this here. Pumps here. So it's only going to be whatever's in this line. So that should stop it from cranking. I don't know if it's bad enough where I got to do it like it's a valve, float valve or something letting it come through. Like I said, it's got the electric solenoid. It's supposed to shut off the fuel. Who knows if that's working though. All I do is take it apart and put battery to it, and then it'll open and close. But I'm about to put the spark plug back on this thing and fire it up. So you definitely want to check your valves if you think you have a battery problem or a starter problem. And then the other thing you want to check is your crankcase for fuel filling up, because then it'll dilute your oil and you'll actually blow your motor that way. The other way, you just ruin your starter. So like I said, I installed this fuel line switch right here. That should fix that problem. Maybe the pump's failing, or it's probably the fuel shut-off solenoid. I'm not really sure. I'm not gonna worry about that. That'll fix the problem. But like I said, now it'll crank fine every time. Gotta fix the muffler. I actually had this piece fall off yesterday. I was gonna put another screw or two in it and forgot, and now it's gone. So let's see if the muffler off the other engine will fit it. It's the one that comes to the front, so I gotta look at the manifold to see if you can swap them or not.